Namaste everyone. How are you all? Hope you are all good. Hope you enjoyed the last practice of the shoulder opening. Today we're gonna work on some basic of the hip openers. Actually nowadays it's normal for everyone, means the tighten shoulders, tighten hips. So better we work on the hips today. Okay, so slowly we will work on them little bit more deeper and deeper, but today will be some basic poses which will help everyone, for the beginners as well as intermediate. It can be a good practice and preparation for the advanced people also, so you can enjoy the practice today. Thank you. Let's begin the practice. Join your palms, gently close your eyes. We'll chant one time deeply Om together. Take a deep inhale. Gently open your eyes. Namaste. So we will begin the practice with some basic movements first, okay, which are very essential for our practice to warm up and to loosen the joints. So you can remove the block. Then let's begin. Release the legs first. Just shake your legs. Shake your thighs so you can loosen the muscles, your joints. Then from here you can adjust your sitting bones. Palms can be next to your hips. Spine will be straight. Chest is lifting upward. Activating the legs slowly. Knees, thighs are active. Feet are active. Shoulders are relaxed. Do not lifting your shoulders. Don't give tension to your shoulders. Okay. So first begin with the joint movements. Inhale, flexing your feet. Exhale, pointing your feet. Inhale. Exhale. You have to activating the muscles. Inhale of your thighs, your calves. Even you can feel it. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Couple of times you can practice this, like 8 to 10 times minimum. Okay. Then after that, next practice comes rotation of the ankles. So clockwise first. So first we are just going clockwise. Inhale, moving the feet back because you're flexing them, and exhale, you can pointing them back forward. Inhale, moving back, and exhale, pointing forward. This will help you to loosen the calf muscles, okay, as well as activation of your thighs, your calves. So warming up your muscles, preparing them for the further practice, and loosening the ankle joint, the most important thing for this rotation, which will allow you to go a bit more deeper, because the ankle is the part which is tighter usually in our poses. So we need to loosen it first so we can go deeper without any injuries. We can prevent the injuries through these joint movements. Then reverse anti-clockwise. Make sure you do not disturbing your shoulders, as I am doing the video for you, so might be looking there, so some disturbance happening. You can. Same 8 to 10 times anti-clockwise ankle rotations. And then slowly exhale, release. Release. Shake your legs again. Now from here, ankle is done. Now come next turn is the knees. So again, sit on the floor, spine should be straight, chest is lifting up. Then from here, inhale, lift the right leg up. If you're having the back issues, you can bend the knee, but feet flex. It will help you to stretch the leg. Okay, exhale, pointing your bending the leg down. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. A couple of times you will do this also, like 8 to 10 times, and then release. But you have to do equally from both sides, so you can balance with inhalation up, exhalation down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Then release. Shake your legs again. Okay, now a best hip opener is the Baddha Konasana, butterfly posture. Everybody's, I think, know with this posture. So we'll do some modification with this as well after warming up our thighs. Okay, you can adjust your calf muscles out a bit, so you can just resting the outer thighs on the floor, which will help you to loosen the inner abductors of your thighs, as well as giving the stretch to your groins, to your hip, and very good hip opener. Okay, then you can grabbing your feet together, adjusting them according to your convenience. It's not necessary you have to bring your heels completely close. No, wherever you are comfort, do that, and keep your spine straight. Joining your feet, spine is straight, not round your back. Then start your movement. Just keep your eyes closed, breathe naturally here, and moving your knees, your thighs. Make sure the movement is happening through your hips, your pelvic girdle. You're not only just doing the movement through the knees, you're working through your pelvic girdle, through your hips directly. So it will give more deeper effect, more deeper stretch. You can breathe, normal breathing here. Do not strain yourself. Always remember, yoga is the practice to be comfort, not getting the stress. So enjoy the practice with your breathing. Slowly you can increase the range by moving your thighs more higher and more down. More higher and more down. It will help you to go a bit more deeper, as well as stretch your thighs, your hips opening more, as well as they're warming up a bit more faster. Basically, this posture is very good for your excretory system, your kidneys. This practice regularly can prevent you from the kidney problems. Basically, they're like the stones. You can never get the stone problem if you're practicing this. Your excretion will happen perfectly. It will function perfectly. Okay. Women can do this practice during their menstruation periods. This is the normal, as well as pregnant women as well. They can practice this posture to opening their hips. There are so many benefits of these postures. After a couple of times, after that you can just stop the movement. Okay, then what we have to do, make sure we are centered here. Then from here, not pressing like that completely, using your hands, okay, turning the fingers backward, adjusting your hands to your thighs, okay, middle of your thighs, middle, little lower than your thighs, adjusting the hands and trying to roll them out, so it will help to open your pelvic more, and joining your feet together. This will help you to open your hips completely. Breathe. You can stay there like 5 to 8 breaths, deeper breaths, and you will enjoy that. Maintain this for a couple of breaths. Do not loosen yourself. Then after that, you do not have to jerk. Very gently, slowly bend your elbows, releasing the tightness of your legs. Then from here, exhale, join your knees for a while, so you can just relax your inner thighs, your pelvic girdle. Then from here, exhale, release the left leg. Now, if possible, like the normal position is, you can adjust the foot to the elbow and the knee to the right elbow. You can interlock your fingers. Okay, this is the basic position. Sometimes not possible for everyone to do, like holding the hands together and the foot cannot adjust because of the tightness of the hips. That's why we will do some modification. We'll make it a little easier. So you can just hold the foot, okay, or you can just hold the leg like this. So it will help you to lift a bit more and open the hip, okay, wherever you are comfortable. Then from here, you have to give this movement to opening the right hip